Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the structure of cell. In there we studied cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm and nucleus. Today we are going to discuss about the cell organelles. Okay. Cell organelles are small organs of the cell. They form a living part of the cell and each of them has a definite shape, structure and function. Example of such organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, ribosome. So in this section we will discuss the cellular organelles, okay, one by one. So that first is what? Endoplasmic reticulum. In short we can write that ER. So membranous network enclosing fluid in its cavity. तो कैसा रहता है ये? membranous network है. Okay. Inside the cell there exists a membranous network enclosing a fluid-filled lumen which almost fills up the intracellular cavity. Intracellular cavity form होती है अपनी body में, means that is what? Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum with ribosomes attached on its surface for synthesizing protein. Means जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम मीन्स उसको रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इसलिए कहते हैं कि उसमें राइबोसोम अटैच रहते हैं. एंड व्हाई दिस इज अटैच ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ दैट एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम? फॉर सिंथेसाइजिंग द प्रोटीन. Clear this one? And second, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum which is without ribosome. Okay, इसमें राइबोसोम अटैच नहीं रहते and is meant for secreting lipids. और ये क्या secrete करते हैं? Lipid secrete करते हैं. Clear this one? Now function. It forms supporting skeletal framework of the cell. ये क्या form करता है? Supporting framework to the cell. Okay. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is concerned with the transport of protein क्योंकि उसमें क्या अटैच है? राइबोसोम अटैच है which are synthesized by ribosome on their surface. तो ये क्या ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है? प्रोटीन. क्लियर दिस वन? एंड स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम ऑफ लीवर ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स हेल्प्स इन डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. किसमें हेल्प करते हैं? स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हेल्प्स इन डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन. क्लियर दिस वन? डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन मीन दैट इन इट मेटाबोलाइज various toxic or poisonous substances such as drug, aspirin, insecticide, petroleum product and pollutant. These toxic substances make their entry in animal's body through food, air or water. तो इन सबसे लीवर को डिटॉक्स करता है. Next one is ribosome are spherical particles found free or attached to RER. RER means that rough endoplasmic reticulum. ये किससे अटैच रहते हैं? rough endoplasmic reticulum से. They contain RNA and proteins. तो इसमें क्या रहता है? RNA and proteins. What are the function of this ribosome? Ribosomes play an important part in synthesis of protein. क्या synthesize होता है इसमें? Protein synthesize होता है. Clear? Now next one is Golgi bodies और Golgi apparatus भी आप इसको कह सकते हो. Okay? So Golgi bodies are membrane bound fluid filled vesicles and flattened cisternae. In plant cell it is called the dictosome. Okay? So Golgi apparatus consists of a set of membrane bound, okay, bounded का set रहता है, fluid filled vesicles, vacuoles and flattened cisternae means closed sac. Okay, so Golgi apparatus exists as an extensive network near the nucleus. और ये कहाँ पे found होता है? Near the nucleus in the animal cells. Okay, so however the plant cells contain many freely distributed subunits of Golgi apparatus called dictosome. Now what are the function of these Golgi bodies? So the main function of the Golgi apparatus is secretory. ये क्या function है इसका main? Secretory. Golgi apparatus acts as a weigh station or assembly area for the storage, processing and packaging of various cellular secretion. And second, it produces vacuole or secretory vesicles which contain cellular secretion like that enzymes, protein, cellulose, melanin pigment, lactoprotein of milk, etc. Now third, Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesizing of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. Means जब सेल में cell wall, plasma membrane और lysosome जब फॉर्म होता है तो उसमें ये हेल्प भी करता है. Clear this one? Next one is lysosome means that lysosome membrane bound vesicles containing powerful digestive enzyme. ये क्या है? powerful digestive enzyme. So lysosome are simply tiny spherical sac-like structure evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. Okay, ये किसमें distributed होता है? Cytoplasm और ये spherical sac-like structure. Each lysosome is a small vesicle surrounded by a single membrane and contains powerful enzymes. Okay, ये सिर्फ सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन से सराउंडेड रहता है और कंटेन पावरफुल एंजाइम. दीज एंजाइम आर कैपेबल ऑफ डाइजेस्टिंग और ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑल ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल. तो ये एंजाइम कैपेबल होते हैं डाइजेस्टिंग और ब्रेकिंग डाउन फॉर ऑल द ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल. सो राइजोसोम enzymes are made by RER. RER means that rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now function of lysosome. Lysosome serve as an intracellular digestive system, hence called digestive bag. इसे क्या कहते हैं? digestive bag कहते हैं. Means they destroy any foreign material. Okay, means जो भी means unwanted या foreign material enter होता है सेल के अंदर. Okay, तो ये उसको क्या करता है? डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. Clear this one? Lysosome also remove worn out cells. मीन जो सेल डैमेज हो जाती है. ओके, और जो मीन्स पुअरली वर्किंग सेलुलर ऑर्गेनेलीज रहते हैं तो उसको भी डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है. तो लाइसोसोम आल्सो रिमूव द worn out cells and poorly working cellular organelles by digesting them. और उन सबको वो डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है टू मेक वे फॉर देयर न्यू रिप्लेसमेंट. मीन्स जो डैमेज सेल्स और पुअरली वर्किंग जो सेलुलर ऑर्गेनेलीज है उनको डाइजेस्ट करता है फॉर देयर न्यू रिप्लेसमेंट. प्लस लाइसोसोम फॉर्म ए काइंड ऑफ गार्बेज डिस्पोजल सिस्टम ऑफ द सेल. क्लियर दिस वन? मीन्स ये क्या है? जो भी वॉर्न आउट और डैमेज और फॉरेन मटेरियल से जो भी मीन्स इंटर हो जाते हैं सेल में, तो ये क्या करता है? लाइसोसोम उसको डाइजेस्ट करता है और डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. तो इट इज अ वन काइंड ऑफ गार्बेज डिस्पोजल सिस्टम ऑफ द सेल. क्लियर दिस वन? लाइक ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ सेल स्ट्रक्चर. When the cell gets damaged और cells जब डैमेज होती है, lysosome may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cells. और lysosome burst हो जाता है और एंजाइम क्या करता है? अपने ही सेल को खाने लग जाता है जो डैमेजेस हो जाती है. Therefore lysosome are also known as a suicide bag of a cell. इसलिए इसको क्या कहते हैं? suicide bags of a cells. Clear this one? Next one is mitochondria. The mitochondria are tiny bodies of varying shapes and size. Okay. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. और ये साइटोप्लाज्म में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड रहती है. ईच माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन इज बाउंडेड बाय डबल मेम्ब्रेन इन्वेलप. और ये किससे? डबल मेम्ब्रेन इन्वेलप से बाउंडेड रहती है. आउटर मेम्ब्रेन इज पोरस. इनर मेम्ब्रेन इज फोल्डेड आर कॉल्ड क्रिस्टी एंड स्टड with small rounded bodies known as F1 particle, means that oxysomes. The interior cavity of mitochondria filled with a proteinaceous matrix which contain a few small sized ribosomes, circular DNA molecules, etc. So mitochondria is what? They are rod shaped, they have double membrane, outer membrane porous, inner membrane folded to form cristae and contain small bodies, oxysome, and that cavity is filled with matrix fluid containing DNA and ribosome. Clear this one? Now function of the mitochondria. So you know that mitochondria are site of the cellular respiration. Okay, so the mitochondria synthesize energy rich compound ATP. They are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Energy stored in ATP is used by the cell. तो जो उसमें energy stored रहती है, okay, in the form of ATP, they are used by the cell. So ATP stand for the organic compound adenosine triphosphate. So ATP is generally known as the energy carrier. Okay, ये क्या carrier करती है? Energy carrier और energy currency. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं? Energy currency of the cell. It is common cellular fuel, that is, it is used to derive numerous energy requiring processes of the cell. Next one is plastid. Okay, plastid occur in most plant cells. So plastid are of following three types. Okay, chromoplast means colored plastid. Okay, chromo means color. Okay, so colored plastid. Second, chloroplast means green color plastid, and leucoplast means the colorless plastid. Clear this one? What are the function of plastid? So chloroplast trap solar energy. जो chloroplast plastid है वो क्या करता है? Trap the solar energy and utilizes it to manufacture food for the plant. You know very well about that photosynthesis processes. Clear this one? So chloroplast trap solar energy and utilize it to manufacture food for the plant. And second, chromoplast plastid. Chromo means color. Okay, तो chromoplast plastid impart various colors to flowers to attract insect for pollination. Plants colorful flowers bear करते हैं. So because of this chromoplast, क्योंकि उनके अंदर कौन सा प्लास्टिड है, chromoplast plastid are there. So that's why colors to flowers to attract insect for the pollination process. Now third one, leucoplast plastids store food in the form of carbohydrate, fats and protein. So जो leucoplast plastid है, that is the function is store the food in the form of carbohydrate, fat and proteins. Clear this one? Next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid filled or solid filled and membrane bounded spaces. They are a kind of storage sac. ये क्या? It is a one kind of storage sac. In animal cells, the vacuoles if present are small and temporary. अगर animal cells में vacuoles present रहते हैं तो small रहते हैं और temporary रहते हैं. Okay. So they store water, glycogen and protein. तो ये vacuoles क्या store करते हैं? Water, glycogen and protein. Okay. In plant cells, the vacuoles are large, distinct and permanent. Vacuoles means that fluid filled membrane bound space. In animal cell, either they are absent or if present, then they are small in size and are temporary. Okay. But in plant cell, vacuoles are large, distinct and permanent. In mature plant cells, the vacuole occupies almost the entire volume of the cells. Okay. So vacuoles is bounded by a membrane called tonoplast. So the vacuoles is filled with cell sac, which is watery solution rich in sugar, amino acid, proteins, minerals and metabolic wastes. Clear this one? What are the function of vacuoles? So they store toxic metabolic byproduct or end product of the plant cells. They provide turgidity or rigidity to the plant cells. Clear this one? Vacuole has to maintain the osmotic pressure in cell. Next one is the centrosome. So centrosome is found only in the animal cells. Okay, जैसे प्लास्टिड आपने देखा सिर्फ प्लांट सेल्स में प्रेजेंट रहता है, वैसे ही सेंट्रोसोम सिर्फ एनिमल सेल्स में प्रेजेंट रहता है. इट इज नॉट बाउंडेड बाय एनी मेम्ब्रेन. इसमें कोई मेम्ब्रेन नहीं रहती है, बट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 ग्रैन्यूल्स like centriole. So centrioles are hollow or cylindrical structure which are made up of microtubules. Okay. Now function of centrosome. Centrosomes help in the cell division in animal cells. During cell division, centrioles migrate to the poles of animal cells and are involved in the formation of spindle. Thank you.